am Krisha Villafania from the same school as Prince of Peace Integrated School in the Philippines. May I present my presentation?
Go ahead.
And this is my business proposal. Uh, our product is called Network, the endless cycle of recycling, and our main plan is to reduce, recycle, and recycle newspaper, cardboard, and X-ray to make products from those wasted and thrown out material into products that will be useful for our everyday life, such as paper crafts, bookmarks, origami, boxes, envelopes, and other decorations, and more. It can also be used to make something strong like a shelf. And this is my product from last year, and I tested it. It is very sturdy till today. Why should you consider buying it? If ever has the opportunity to mass produce, we are planning to selling it for an even cheaper price than your average paper-related products. If you take a look at the table, you will see that the cheapest product here is Hokkaido Sand. However, their price per piece is still 0.2 pesos, more expensive than our product. Buying our product would also greatly help the environment because it would lessen the amount of wasted single-use paper, cardboard, and X-ray. As you can see here, municipal solid waste, it's called MSW in the US. There's a lot of wasted materials as well. The top one is paper. If ever if we don't have anything wood or forest around us soon in the future, we can use the endless recycling method as well. We can recycle and recycle over and over again our wasted materials. Is this product innovative? Recycled paper can be considered innovative as it represents a sustainable solution to reduce the demand for virgin materials and environmental impact. It helps in conserving resources, reducing energy consumption, and mitigating pollution compared to traditional paper production methods. Additionally, advancement in recycling technology continue to make the process more efficient and effective, contributing to its innovation. How will our product be known? Our growth strategy relies on a combination of factors: positive users, experience, drive word of mouth, recommendation, spreading awareness of the locality. Additionally, strategic marketing efforts and collaboration will help improve our presence in 11 communities and industries. By consistently delivering value and fostering engagement, we will aim to establish a strong reputation and expand my reach to new audience. Materials and producer. As well, I remember from last year, I represented from it. So our materials will be basin, lacquer, blender, and cardboard X-ray paper. Making our product is very easy as you only need to blend the cardboard paper or X-ray into a homogeneous mixture and put it on a deck to dry. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Congratulations to all the teams. I'm not sure if they all hear me right now, but congratulations to every single team. Everybody did a great job. Everybody
Sure,
did a
sure.
great job. Everybody did a great job with the unique ideas, especially.